Nowadays I'm testing shirts on me. I have also shopped from DMart. अगर ये धुलने का, एक तो बारिश का सीजन है, सूखेंगे नहीं टी शर्ट, 700 रुपीज भी देने में ये हो रही थी कि जूरिया के साइज इशू बहुत है. I have shopped from YouStar. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel Be with Akshad. Aaj again I have come back with this video where I'm just sitting in one place and sharing this stuff. Down to earth 1K. मैंने आज no table, straight away मैं जमीन पे बैठ के I'm shooting this video. इस बार the video is like I'm come up with a clothing haul video kinda. It's not like कि मेरी पिछली video got a hit, so I'm creating this video. It's not like that क्योंकि जून के महीने में मैंने डिसाइड करके रखा था कि I'll create 2 videos like a accessories video and a clothing वीडियो, क्योंकि मैं बहुत से स्टोर से I was about to shop. So basically वो ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग था. This time I did all offline shopping. So whatever the stuff I have got, I'm going to show. I have shopped from YouStar, Max, and also I've shopped from Zudio. Also shopped from DMart. DMart से भी मैंने बाहर पहनने के लिए शॉपिंग की है for the very first time. The street shopping also I did little bit. To make this thing clear कि मैंने जितनी भी शॉपिंग की, it's everything is casual and it's like stuff like that. It's like very basic shopping actually I did. Today my video is about YouStar versus Zudio. मैंने जब YouStar गया था, I love the collection for the men's section, women's sections, everything. It's really nice and collection मुझे बहुत पसंद है. मुझे चाहिए कि ऐसे ना बहुत से brands open हो like Zudio. You know, then you'll get a lot of options to like, you know, अगर Zudio में नहीं है, so you'll visit YouStar नहीं है, so like more brands like this. The only thing which was copied, I can say, is like pricing. Of course, like price, it's same like Zudio's. The only thing you'll get same price में आपको और एक स्टोर मिला है, but उसके collections अलग है. और भी point outs I'm going to take out while just showing you the product. So watch the full video. The first I'm going to show you that Zudio से मैंने क्या खरीदा है. Not lot of stuff क्योंकि मैंने बहुत से brands से actually shop किया है. सब brands से मैंने थोड़ी चीजें ही ली है. So let's just start with Zudio first. Zudio से I have got this t-shirt which is it's a black t-shirt. मुझे dark actually जो t-shirts लेने थे. Thing is like कि मैंने ये सब जो shopping की, it's like for my exam on my internship. मुझे workplace के लिए actually ये shopping किया. That's why the shopping is very basic, casual, very nice. Zudio का color like थोड़ा कपड़ा is like see through. Can you see? It's little see through. This t-shirt is like for 199 only. Like they have a section इसका 199 का. You can just find it. It's very nice. The printing says like confidence is calm and ego makes noise, something like that. Size I got M. As you guys know, मैंने पिछले वीडियो बहुत से वीडियो में मैंने बोला है जूरिया के साइज इशू बहुत है. उनका कभी S size is equal to M size हो जाता है, कभी M is equal to small size. So like lot of this thing they do mistake this. And I'm just buying this, मुझे trial करना ही पड़ता है whenever I'm getting stuffs from Zudio. The next t-shirt I got the same pricing, 199 का only. This t-shirt. See, this t-shirt I got size small, as you can see here. It's also very basic, very nice. Actually a very different color मुझे चाहिए था to try on me, so I went with this color. It says I'm cooler on the internet. The quality of printing is also good. Like the last stuff I have got this jeans from Zudio, which is a straight relaxed fit. Very nice quality, actually nice quality, but I paid for this jeans like 700 rupees. 700 rupees भी देने में ये हो रही थी, and very basic blue color it is, so that's why I got this. I really like the quality, it's very comfort. मेरी waist की size is 28. थोड़ी length wise थोड़ा issue है मुझे, but एक styling की इसलिए I do fold it. ये थोड़ा styling भी लगता है. I don't mind it much, but yeah, length issue thoda hai. It's not perfect, but anyways, I loved it. The one I'm wearing right now is also from Zudio. Now let's see what I've got from YouStar. I really love. Okay, the first thing I have got is this very good quality wala t-shirt. Nimbu Mirchi, it says, a very basic print. Back mein it's plain, nothing is there. Only front printing hai. And this t-shirt costed me like 299, 300 rupees. But this like for 299 थोड़ा मुझे ये लगता है कि मतलब they also have 199 का सेक्शन भी इनके पास है, same like Zudio. इनके पास और एक सेक्शन है which is like 299 के t-shirts यूनिक प्रिंट में मिलते हैं. But this t-shirt I don't think ये worthy है like for 299. but I love it's very unique. Next, I have this very nice, really love the color. It's a custard yellow. It's really like that. The printing is also a little aesthetic, very nice printing it has. This t-shirt actually I got for like 199. This size also medium, and yeah, before iski jo size hai, it's like size S, and this size I have got medium, but it says no bandies, like whatever. It's like a same Zudio की quality. Can you just see difference? There's no difference in this. But मैंने एक और एक t-shirt खरीदा था, but उसकी like stitching was very badly done. Evenly सब stitch नहीं था एक t-shirt जो मैंने 299 वो section से लिया था, और एक 199 का था, वो इतना सी थ्रू था और इतना पतला था, like धोने के बाद it will जखड़ जाएगा. तो ये टी शर्ट मैंने 2-3 बार पहना भी है और इसको धोया भी है, एंड स्टिल दी आपको ये नया ही लग रहा होगा. आई हैव गॉट 3 टी-शर्ट्स फ्रॉम यूस्ता. दिस इज द लास्ट this t-shirt. इसका कपड़ा actually it's very nice. Like both side is like thick. This I got for like 299. It's size S. I love this t-shirt. पीछे से it's plain. It says tomorrow. because Zudio और यूस्ता की कंपैरिजन करनी पड़ी, तो like I can say यूस्ता में under one roof आपको बहुत सी चीजें मिलेंगी, क्योंकि यूस्ता ने not only they have focused on footwear और clothing के section में, they also focused on like stuff like wallets, sling bags, crossbody bags, travel bags and backpacks there. So a lot of things you will get in Yusta, but not in Zudio. और ये लोग ने branches नहीं खोले ज्यादा. This is the stuff I have got from Zudio and Yusta. Now let's go. Let's see what I have got from Max. There was a sale going on, and I have got some stuff. ओके, 2 बार पहना है, बट दिस वीक वाज लाइक नो, मैं इस टी शर्ट को हाथ नहीं लगा रहा. अगर ये धुलने का, एक तो बारिश का सीजन है, सूखेंगे नहीं टी शर्ट. इस टी शर्ट आई हैव गॉट थोड़ा ये क्रंच हुआ है, प्लीज डोंट माइंड. दिस इज साइज एस. इट हैज नाइस पॉकेट एंड या आई लव रियली द क्वालिटी. मैक्स की टी शर्ट की क्वालिटी आई लव. दिस टी शर्ट आई गॉट फॉर लाइक 300 एंड एवरीथिंग अंडर 500 का सेल चल रहा था एक्चुअली. So this t-shirt I got for like 299. Next up we have is this very smart looking shirt, relaxed fit shirt. This also I have wore. This shirt I got for like 500 rupees. Actually this shirt की price है like 999. 50% सबके ऊपर off था, तो this t-shirt I got for like only for 500. It has also a pocket over here. It थोड़ा loose fit है actually ये shirt. और मैं जब शॉप करने गया था मॉल में, तो there were lot of ongoing sales. H&M में भी बहुत सारे सेल्स चल रहे थे. H&M में विजिट किया. H&M was also having 50% off का सेल. When I just entered, like everything was sold out. जब मैं स्टोर में एंटर किया, there was nothing like जो प्राइस में वो दिखाया था. This is for 299, 399. जब मैं प्रोडक्ट्स देखने जा रहा था, वो सेक्शन में एक भी अवेलेबल नहीं था. Okay, now let's go with a DMart की shopping I have did for a very first time. First is this shirt. Small size I have got, but I really love the quality. The quality of this shirt is very nice. I got this shirt for like 500 rupees. Because I'm not very a shirt person. I love to wear t-shirts only. But this time in this period, I'm trying shorts on me. That's why ये Max से भी मैंने ये खरीदा और मैंने इसे पहन भी लिया है actually. Testing shorts on me. And I have got a lot of compliments also when I'm just wearing shorts. क्योंकि like a t-shirt पहनने वाला like अचानक से shirt पहनता है. So like, oh, you're wearing shirt today, and like workplace में like sometimes I wear shirts जो मेरे पिछले पुराने हैं, तो like I've got compliments. So nowadays I'm testing shirts on me. Then I've got jeans from DMart. Can you just believe this is also a straight fit, a slim fit actually. It's a slim fit jeans. मतलब मेरे workplace में ला, of course I'm not going to wear any baggy jeans. उधर मैं baggy jeans नहीं पहनने वाला. I just want casual basic jeans, and this jeans मुझे actually I paid for this jeans like 450. Then now the last thing. It's the last shopping I did from after very long time actually, from Fashion Street. Like Fashion Street से मैं I shopped there for after like 2 years. Yeah. So I've shopped with this jeans from there. It's a very straight fit, perfect. ये 28 size है, like length भी एकदम perfect है. It's very comfortable. The quality of this jeans also nice. Of course, it's street shopping, but I got this jeans for 400. तो seller को तो high price बोलने 800 या 900 कुछ बोला था इस jeans के लिए. Of course, you have to bargain, and yeah, that's how I got this jeans. So yeah, that is it for today, guys. Like इन सबसे मेरी favorite अगर shopping बोलनी चाहिए तो I would Yusta, क्योंकि Yusta में मतलब एक ही बार गया, मुझे कुछ अच्छा लगा and I got it. That is it for today, guys. I'll see you in the very next video. Till then, a good big bye.